The data we will be presenting in this meeting builds upon data from the Global Patient Survey 2022 that we presented at ASH in 2023 and we presented last year at the CAR T-cell meeting in 2024. By that time, we presented aggregated side effects comparing the odds of experiencing side effects in patients receiving CAR T versus patients receiving other therapies. We collected new data through the Global Patient Survey in 2024 with over 11,000 respondents in general, and we selected a data set of relapse cases, patients experiencing relapsed lymphomas, to check on those receiving CAR T. For those who met the eligibility criteria, we had 169 patients who received CAR T-cell therapy, and we established comparisons between those patients receiving CAR T versus the patients not receiving CAR T and the higher odds of having more side effects. The data this year was more robust, and we can report that there is 65% more likely to experience side effects for those receiving CAR T versus those that didn't receive CAR T. By the I didn't mention before, the median age of the total sample was 65 years, the younger 18 years old, and the older 91 years old. Among the total sample of patients receiving CAR T, there were different 19 lymphoma subtypes. However, I want to remark that there were 5 more prevalent among the sample, and these were chronic lymphocytic leukemia, follicular lymphoma, Waldenström macroglobulinemia, large B-cell lymphoma, of course, and follicular lymphoma. So with this new data, we can, it really confirms, it validates previous findings. Why this data matters? Because it could be guiding clinicians on observing those patients who experience these symptoms and get prepared earlier to provide management strategies. So what we plan to do next is to try to track the likely to have symptoms, determined symptoms together. And that could help us probably to build an algorithm to predict the patients that will be more likely to experience severe side effects, symptoms for clinicians to help them with the management strategies in clinical practice.